Hello guys, welcome to B9 Studios. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install an ISO file. Before we start, click on the red subscribe button and enable the bell icon. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the file I want to install. First, let me show you its properties. Type of file .iso. Okay, to install this software or any other ISO file, you need to download and install a software called PowerISO. I put the link in the description box. Check that link, download and install the PowerISO software. Just open it and wait for 5 seconds. Then click on continue unregistered. Then click on mount. Set number of drives is equal to 1 or 2, how much you want. I'm setting here 1. A drive is appeared here on this PC. It is created by the software PowerISO. Okay, let's close this all. Then right click on the software which you want to install. Then click on PowerISO menu. Then click on mount image to drive F. Okay, now go to this PC. Now you can see the file is mounted to that drive, and double click on it to install it. I have already installed this software, so I am closing this setup.